Rudy.
The answer exists in Constitution. Very interesting speech, and I'm hoping that I can add some gravity to it. This is what my life has become now.
Hello, this is Rudy Giuliani with Rudy's Common Sense. Today we're going to look at what is appearing to be, or almost about to become, a constitutional crisis. Constitutional crisis is not unknown in our republic. We've had them. They're always very jarring. They're always very difficult. They're always very unnerving, because the Constitution should flow, we believe, very, very easily and without any real problems. There shouldn't be too much dispute about interpretation. And of course, that's a somewhat unrealistic notion. But the one beautiful thing about our republic is that at times of crisis, constitutional crisis, other crises, at times of difficult decision-making, very, very close partisan decision-making, there's a place to go. And it's called the great, the brilliant, the almost sacred, if not sacred, Constitution of the United States. It'll supply the answer.
I've got the sampler here loaded with some farts in. It's actually just the same fart, but it just gets pitched and moved all over the place. So,
And I'm full of kebab, so I'm ready to
contribute.
They're always very jarring. They're always very difficult. They're always very unnerving, because the Constitution should flow, we believe, very, very easily and without.
I don't want to have two, I just want one. It's when he does flow, that's just brilliant.
Should flow, we believe.
Needs to be slightly earlier.
because his voice falters a little bit. Like
Times of difficult decision-making, very, very close part.
Oh, he moves again there to the left. He's farting a lot, this guy.
At times of difficult decision-making, very, very close partisan.
Oh, fuck it.
Times of crisis, constitutional crisis, other crises. At times of difficult.
I don't need that third one. That was too much.
you're becoming quite the fart critic.